Chinatown.
Nessie, Miggy, and myself ate here before.
It is very famous. Yeah.
Famous for what?
Or Hong Kong.
Oh.
Jackson Street is very famous
Because
for...
when you say China, it's either Hong Kong or
Yan at Jackson Street is where...
Taiwanese.
Oh, Jackson Street.
Yeah, that's very famous for
Depends
food.
on what kind of Chinese. Yeah.
Okay.
The authentic
Yeah, okay.
Jackson Street. Okay.
veggie land.
Either they speak Cantonese or Mandarin. Yeah. Oh, look at it changed. You know, I don't recognize this. It's been years since I've been here.
It's been a while, John.
It's cleaner now,
Yeah,
maybe.
No, it's the same. It's just
More crowded.
in a different street. Yeah. I think we were in the perpendicular street. Yeah. When remember we were walking with Tony.
It looks clean to me.
That was more than 20 years.
So it looks clean. The Chinatown here is better than the Chinatown in LA, Los
Yeah,
Angeles.
much
Is it?
better.
Oh, because I've never been. I
Much
don't go
better.
there. If you really want good authentic dim sum, they said if you want go to like Vancouver, Canada.
Yeah.
A lot of the Hong Kong chefs went to Vancouver. My Chinese friend told me that. It's not necessarily in Chinatown.
Did you plot an address, Ed?
Samoa restaurant.
Yeah, it's in the Uber app here. We can just walk around here. We'll discover something.
Later.
Yeah, transport from the same country. Yeah. Don't go where the white
Ling
people are
Ling
eating, yeah.
Job Service.
We're not looking for Panda Express. That's an insult to Chinese food.
Panda Express.
Yeah, look at
It's like
there's
saying
no,
I'm going to Italian eating at Olive Garden. That's the Olive Garden is not Italian.
There's no parking.
Yep. There's no parking, see?
Actually, you're right. So good thing we didn't drive.
I'm telling you. This reminds me of the Chinatown in Manhattan.
Oh really?
Manhattan, New York. Yeah, Manhattan.
Yeah. If I close my eyes, this kind of looks like New York actually,
Yeah, same thing.
except for that pointy thing building.
And except for the roads,
Yeah, the hilly.
hilly, ours is
New
flat.
York is all flat. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
This must damage the transmission somehow. There's a lot of transmission jobs here.
A1 Cafe. Golden King.
Yeah, it's always gold or dragon, some lucky name or whatever.
Dragon
It's
Seed.
just typical Chinese.
Still the restaurant. What's that?
Hmm?
Restaurant.
Oh, here.
Here.
Where?
Okay, thank you. There's a car.
Sa bagay yung mga kumakain.
Ito pa yung omelette here, right?
Yeah.
Hindi pa kompleto yung pagkain.
They gave us soup.
Hindi pa.
It's okay.
Tinikman ko na. Magaling sila magluto. Especially ito yung last na dumating.
What's this? Spinach?
Spinach with garlic. Broccoli.
No, spinach broccoli. And this is
Chinese broccoli.
this one's here. What's this?
Fish
Fish with
with
okra.
bok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Jojo, ano daw? What's this?
Mapo tofu.
Mapo tofu.
Ang spelling nila poor eh. Pero actually mapo
Shrimp
talaga.
fried rice, ubus na.
Shrimp fried rice yan. No? And this is the Ching Chow beer. Hindi naman siya kumakain ng maraming fiber. Ito binibigyan. Tawag yan dyan, Trans-America yan eh.
Yeah.
Yan yung isa sa mga sinite ko eh. Habang nagsiswim ka kasi kailangan i-site mo yung
Famous landmark, no? Iba yung daw. Iba yung...
Ito dito.
In the restaurant. Later the restaurant.
One kid. Okay, nagugutom ako ngayon.
Huwag siguro dito sa mga...
Anak, pa kayo ice cream. Kanina may kumakain ng apay eh.
Yan, sumice cream eh.
Kumain na to.
I know.
Grand Palace.
Hi, Dave.
It wasn't just like short music, it kept going.
Sandali.
Dapat pala, hindi mo natin yan. Hindi. Lalakot pa kayo. Naguli pa ako ng dam para makasaya.
Gusto mo ba iwanan na ganyan?
Diretso lang tayo.
Gusto mo magano eh. Ay, pero parang let's go.
Maraming hits.